Okay, I'm going to show you how to install SceneBuilder 8.5.0. You have to search on website. Then here is the link. I will make a link to my video description. Because Colon's website they upgrade to 23, so 8.50 is no longer available on official website. Okay, I've set it. Try to remember these locations. Copy. Okay, this is the 8.50. Let me go back to NetBeans. You can link with SceneBuilder, Java, JavaFX. Here, SceneBuilder home, browse. It's on the user. My username is Ken. So match with yours. It should be on the AppData Local and then SceneBuilder. Okay, alphabetic order. Okay, here is the SceneBuilder. You can open it and then that's the directory. We install SceneBuilder. Okay. Now you should be able to open FXML in SceneBuilder. So you can design your graphic user interface. I will demonstrate quickly here. 8.5.0. Okay, if you are using JavaFX 8. So this is a button. There is a label. Seems like a hidden. So let me just add the text. Say OK. So when I click OK, that buttons, I like to change the label. Okay, say LBL. Okay, so I name the object, which is FXID in FXML. Okay, here make sure check. Okay, we are using 8. Okay, so make controller because we changed the design of FXML. LBL OK. So when we click button, we're going to change the value of LBL OK to OK button is clicked. So you can build the project. You can launch your applications, which is JavaFX application number 4 in my case. So you can click launch file. Okay, it will do two different things. One, when you click it, it will change the value on console. Also change the value on label. That's all. Thank you.